Welcome to HitPaw channel. In the last decade, artificial intelligence and machine learning have made great progress. More and more AI technology become available to the public. In this video I am going to show you guys an amazing AI app that you might want to try because of its astonishing abilities. This text-to-image app uses AI cloud processing, which is free for a while. The good news is you can use it for free, so try it now, and if it amazes you so much, so that you want to sign up forever, you can do that as well. Alright, now let's get started. The app is called 4AiPaw. You can get it on both Android Google Play Store and iOS App Store. I will use the iOS version for example. Open it. Very lovely opening, I like that. On the top is the prompt area. The app has already generate one here. You can regenerate it. Or change the prompt or type in the prompt yourselves. This is the prompt I wrote. Next is the style. Here are many trending art styles to choose. Each one will come out with a different results. Of course you can choose no style and let the AI decide the style itself, giving it a lot of possibilities. The next is the artist option. The app offers some popular artist styles. It can make the result look more like the artist work you choose. If you don't want it to look like any of these artist work, just select no artist. Below are some output settings. You can expand it and customize the settings. It supports different aspect ratio. The resolution can be up to 4K, which is very high quality for AI artwork and can be used as wallpapers. You may also set the saturation to low, medium or high. After setting up, tap Create and wait for the AI to process. Wow! That looks really impressive. The prompt you use will be displayed here. If you like the image, you can tap the download button to save it on the phone. If you want to create more images, just tap Recreate and it will use the same prompt to generate another image. You can also tap Share to send it to other platforms. If you want to change the prompt, just tap the back button and redo it again. I generate more images based on the prompt. You can view all the image you generate by clicking this icon. Here you can download the images or delete them. You can also click the Discord button to join the Discord community and discuss cool AI stuff and help improve the app. In the moment, every user can generate 16 images for free each day. 8 for free, and the other 8 is free after sharing. The developers are working on more cool features and unlimited numbers of generation. New version will be coming out soon. If you found it amazing, just go ahead and play around with it. Any suggestions and thoughts are welcome in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.